We prep you for the job, and we help you to break in. We mentor you, coach you, and mentor you. Not just coach you and throw you out. We still keep you, mentor you, coach you, and help you to break in. Our mentoring and coaching is a lifetime support. And that's what we're doing right now. Part of our giving back to the community with the mentors. So that's very important. Thank you so very much for mentioning that. You can always get your certification anytime you want. You don't need to be certified to get in. You can get in without certification. Okay. So, Mr. Harry, what are some of the qualifications that are essential for anybody that is looking to break into the field? Like coming out of the box, coming out of getting started. There are some soft skills, there's some hard skills. What skills? And people always say, "Oh, me, I don't know anything about IT. I don't have any skills." But I always tell people, you have soft skills like communication, collaboration, effective listening, analytical reasoning. What are some, like, give us like three maybe soft skills or maybe hard skill that help you to get in, that you have, that you are using right now, that is just part of you?
The first thing that I would say has been an asset that has helped me so far is the fact that I have been exposed to other areas of life. I have been exposed as a geologist. I have been exposed as an HR manager. I have been exposed as a business person. So when I'm sitting in front of people that wants to interview me, there is that confidence that I exude in articulating my position, even when I don't know the detailed technical issues. My first few jobs, I didn't have a certification, but my presentation, my approach, after I've been properly mentored in attending this interview, because I have not been in paid employment for a very long time. But now that I acquired the needed mentoring, it was easy for me to use my previous experience, the previous jobs I have done, to sit there confidently in front of an interviewer and present and articulate what else that I know. So I will encourage people, all the skills you have acquired in whatever you are doing before, don't throw them in the dustbin because you want to become a cybersecurity engineer. They will still become helpful